vlogs are a little bit different. Chances are you have a ton of just footage that you've recorded, and your job is to organize it into a way to create the best vlog possible with what you got. So I'm going to be walking you through how to actually organize, which I think is the most important aspect of creating a vlog, so that you guys can create it in record speed, but also have a really good end product. So I'm going to be dragging. It looks like I got 86 clips into my timeline for this vlog. And step number one, after dragging in your footage and after it imports, is going to be organizing the general outline. All right. So if you shot the vlog or you've communicated with a client on what the vlog should look like, chances are you're going to want a little intro to the vlog. Then you're going to want, a middle section, or where you guys go to the mall, right? And then you're going to want to organize it in a sense, before you actually create the project. And so we're going to do that with markers. So this is finishing up importing here. I'm going to get all my footage dropped in. And what I want to do is come up and create a new sequence. Now, depending on, I'm going to title this vlog outline. Depending on if you're, in 4K or HD, you can go ahead and change the settings of the sequence. I shot this in 4K, so I'm going to be leaving it as is. I'm going to go ahead and press OK. All right. So the first thing I want to do is come up and drop a marker, for my hook or my intro. All right. Usually there's a standard intro to a vlog, and I can go ahead and say this, let's go ahead and say 20 seconds. All right. So now I have a marker, in my timeline, and it says 20 seconds. So I'm going to go up, 20 seconds. I can press O, and I'm looking here at the time frame dial for just a general idea of where 20 seconds is. Okay. That's awesome. So there's 20 seconds. I'm going to zoom up, and I'm going to drop another marker. Okay. For the sake of this vlog that I'm creating, it's a workout vlog. So I am going to title this, workout 1. Okay. And then I'm going to give this a time duration of 60 seconds. All right. And so that would take us to 1 minute and 20 seconds in. And so this is a great way to just get a general overview of how long each section of the vlog is going to be before you even start looking at, the footage. All right. So then here I'm going to add a marker, and I'm going to say, talking or interview, because there was a podcast in the middle of the day. All right. And I'm going to put this as 60 seconds. Okay. So this is a way to reverse engineer. Okay, if we want our vlog to be 7 minutes, what are the different parts of our vlog that are going to get us there? All right, so that's going to take us to 220, which is right there. It's 221. Okay. All right, then I'm going to come up and add another chapter marker, so you guys can be doing this as I'm going along. I'm going to say workout 2. All right, 45 seconds, or let's keep things simple. We can just say 60 seconds. Okay, and that's going to take us to, our next marker. All right, so once you're done there, I'm going to go ahead and, come to 320, and then I can drop let's make this a short vlog for the sake of this tutorial, a marker that says outro. All right, so now you have these kind of categorized chapter markers in your vlog outline. So once we're done going through all the footage and organizing it, what we can do is we can come in and start editing our vlog using these markers and outlines. That's going to make it so much easier for you to create the vlog at the right time frame, and also know, okay, I have enough of this footage, I have enough of that footage. What takes really long is when you're unclear, when you don't have a specific outline of what you need to get done. All right, so let's go ahead and come up to create another new sequence, and this we're going to title sequential. I'm going to title it sequential. I'm going to press OK. And what this is going to do is I'm going to go through my footage now, and I'm going to be dropping in everything just in sequential order that looks good. Okay, so in order to do that, I need to make sure that all of my videos are actually in sequential order. All right, so if you've named them, we can change by the name, for example. If you have a specific media start time, like if your camera is recording, at a certain time, we can go ahead and click that, and it's going to give us, the first and last shots of the day. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and press media start, and that's going to give me the first clip of the day. Okay, so then I'm going to be double clicking each clip that I've imported and scanning it in my preview window. And as you can see, this first clip is pretty much garbage. There's nothing there. So then I'm going to click my second clip, and I'm going to go ahead and scan and scan and scan. So it looks like we were in the car, and I'm going to press I to select the input, and then I'm going to select O, and I'm just going to drag this clip in. Okay. Just press keep existing settings. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking through all my footage like this, just watching it. If you want to watch it, you can. If you want to zoom or press fast forward, you can. And I'm just going to be looking for whatever is good. I'm pressing I and O to signal the start and end point of the footage that I like. If I don't like anything, I can go on to the next clip. Okay. Right, so here's a good little shot. Boom, I'm going to press O, and then I'm dragging that guy directly into my timeline. And this is my sequential timeline. All right, so I know that in this sequence, everything's happening in order, right? The time of day. So I'm going to come up and create a new sequence. You can create as many as you want, because as you're looking through your footage, if you want to create a new sequence just for driving, right? If you want to create a new sequence just for working out, or just when people are laughing, for example, you can do that, and that will help you organize your timeline in a way through creating these new sequences that's going to make editing a lot easier later on, because if you need someone's reaction of them laughing, for example, well, you can jump right ahead to your laughing sequence, or your sequence in the car in this case. So here I got another little clip there. I'm going to drag that guy in and drop him in, and I'm going to keep moving forward until that clip is done. I'm going to come down to the next clip in my sequence. I'm going to double click that, and I'm going to do the same exact process. Here it looks like we're pulling up to the Onnit gym. Bam. All right, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it into my sequence, and then I'm going to continue this process. All right, I'm pressing I, looking through the footage. See here, we got a couple guys. I'm going to go to the next clip. Press I. Right there, bam. Okay, bring that clip in. And so as you guys can see, I'm going to continue this process through all of my clips, listening to the audio, reviewing the footage, and that's how we're going to be doing this organization. All right. So that is a very simple way for you to go in and organize all of your footage. You want to have a sequence where it looks like it's in sequential order, and then you can come back and organize your actual vlog and edit it with these specific timestamps to keep you guys accountable on what you originally wanted with your project. So hopefully that helps. That's how we organize vlogs and get all the footage that we want. And when we're done, we might have a few sequences. So it might look like workout sequence. It might look like a slow motion sequence. If you shot footage in slow motion, maybe you want to throw all of that slow motion footage in a sequence. A podcast or an interview. So definitely get creative. Vlogs, there's no one specific way to do them. But when it comes to organizing all your footage to be able to edit your vlog in the most time efficient way possible, this is the formula to use.